My journey with eye health began 3 years ago when I noticed alarming changes in my vision. Working long hours on my computer, I started experiencing blurry vision, dry eyes, and headaches that wouldn't go away. Sound familiar? These symptoms weren't just annoying, they were warning signs my body was desperately trying to communicate. After visiting 3 different eye specialists and being prescribed various eye drops that only provided temporary relief, I decided to research natural approaches to eye health. What I discovered transformed not just my vision, but my entire approach to eye care. Vision problems affect nearly 2.2 billion people worldwide according to the World Health Organization. Yet many of us neglect our eye health until serious issues develop. The American Optometric Association reports that simple nutritional adjustments can significantly support eye health, especially as we age. The science is clear. Specific nutrients target the delicate structures in our eyes, supporting cellular regeneration and protecting against oxidative damage. Research published in the Journal of Ophthalmology demonstrates that certain vitamins and minerals can improve visual function by enhancing blood flow to the retina and strengthening cellular integrity within the eye. Let me share the most powerful eye-supporting nutrients I've incorporated into my daily routine, the same ones that helped me regain crystal-clear vision without expensive treatments. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining the photoreceptors in your retina. Studies from the National Eye Institute show that adequate vitamin A levels can reduce the risk of night blindness and dry eye syndrome. I started incorporating sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach into my meals, and within weeks, my night driving confidence improved dramatically. The recommended daily amount is 900 mg for men and 700 mg for women, easily achieved through a colorful diet. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids that act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and protecting your macula from damage. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people with higher lutein and zeaxanthin levels had 43% lower risk of age-related macular degeneration. I make sure to eat eggs, kale, and corn regularly. These foods dramatically increased my comfort when working on screens. Aim for 10 mg of lutein and 2 mg of zeaxanthin daily. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and support the oil glands around your eyes, preventing dry eye syndrome. The AREDS 2 study confirmed that omega-3s can reduce symptoms of dry eye by up to 30%. Adding salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds to my diet twice weekly eliminated my need for artificial tears. Experts recommend 1,000 mg of omega-3s daily for optimal eye health. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which maintains the structure of your cornea and sclera. Research published in Ophthalmology found that higher vitamin C intake was associated with a 33% lower risk of cataracts. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli became my go-to snacks, and I noticed less eye fatigue during long work sessions. Aim for 75-90 mg daily, though higher doses, up to 500 mg, may provide additional benefits for eye health. Vitamin E protects cell membranes in the eyes from oxidative damage. The Beaver Dam Eye study demonstrated that high vitamin E intake reduced progression of cataracts by 27%. I incorporate sunflower seeds, almonds, and avocados, regularly foods that helped sharpen my previously declining visual acuity. Adults should consume about 15 mg daily. Zinc plays a vital role in delivering vitamin A from the liver to the retina. The age-related eye disease study found that zinc, when combined with other nutrients, slowed vision loss in people with age-related macular degeneration by about 25%. Oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds became part of my weekly meal plan, contributing to noticeable improvements in my visual clarity. The recommended daily amount is 811 mag. Incorporating these nutrients wasn't complicated. I created simple habits: a morning smoothie with spinach and berries, snacking on nuts instead of processed foods, and preparing colorful dinner plates with at least 3 different vegetables. Within 3 months, my annual eye exam showed measurable improvements in my visual acuity and reduced symptoms of digital eye strain. Remember that absorption matters as much as consumption. I learned to pair fat-soluble vitamins, A, E, with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado to enhance absorption. Vitamin C helps your body absorb iron from plant sources, supporting healthy blood flow to your eyes.